Hello everyone, it's Naoki here. In this video, I'm going to introduce the basic feature of Adobe InDesign with showing you how to set up the workplace for the first beginning. Let's get started. So Adobe InDesign is unlikely Photoshop or Illustrator specialized in making the multi-page format such as magazines, booklets, menu or presentation file, and so on. So your difference from Photoshop or Illustrator most is that you don't actually make the graphics in here like logos, icons, modifying photo imaging. The software is more focused on the layouts on the page. Okay, let's get started InDesign here. Okay, so if I click InDesign and click New, and you see this new pop-up window that says New Document, and you can choose Print or Web. So if I go Print and View All Preset, and you can see the more options. Then if I click A4, and you can choose A5 and A3 and so on, but if I click A4 this time, then once you click A4, you can come over here the right hand side and check unit here. Then default is a Picas or Picas. Click drop menu and you can see other options: inches, millimeters, centimeters, and pixels here. If I click millimeters, it automatically changes to millimeters. Then if you take a look at the orientation section, you can choose portrait or landscape. Okay, if I choose landscape, here the landscape icon is highlighted in blue. Then, as I said, InDesign is specialized in the multi-page format. So you can choose a page number right here. Let's say 10 pages this time. And don't worry, you don't have to decide how many pages in here. You can change later if you want to. And tick in the facing pages for now, but I'll show you what that is later. And once you decide, hit create. Okay, then you have workplace right here. If I just zoom out here, right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 as I set up. Okay, and we have 10 pages here. Then same as Photoshop and Illustrator, we have layer. Okay, so if you don't see the layer window, go on the top window and layers. And also, another thing I want to talk about is a page window is here. If you don't have a page window, go on the top window and pages. Okay, so if you see the page window, and the page window displays exactly the same as you have in the workplace. So what it does is allow you to control the page number here. Okay, let's say you have a page number 10, but if you want to more pages, and you go on the bottom and create new pages and hit new pages and increase pages here. And if you find, oh, I don't need that much page, or you can just simply delete this one, select this, and see this bin icon next to the create a new page icon, and simply click that and select, click, and you can control the page number. And lastly, I want to show you is the facing pages, what I'm talking about earlier. That is how we display that page. So the one is facing two pages for magazine or booklet. But if you want to show single page each time, like a presentation, how we do that is go on File and Document Setup. Then once you click the Document Setup, the Document Setup window pop up, And you can either change the page number from here as well. And next to the page number section, see these facing pages. If I untick here, that display automatically changes to the single pages. So you can choose two spread pages or single pages. So then you can control the page number and you can change the facing page or not. Okay, so that is a basic way of setting up your page in InDesign, and let's get started working in there from the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.